Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update at KB5089549 because of this error code, that is 0x800705b9. Now to fix it, the first step is to restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. If that does not work, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089549, and then click on search. Now type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Now open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Check your system type. In my case it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5089549. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can run this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, you can reset Windows update components. Now for this you can copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here and then open Notepad on your computer. So type in Notepad and then open Notepad, paste all the command over here. Go to file, click on save as. You can go to desktop and then you can name this file as wufix.bat file, that is wufix.bat, and then click on save. Now you can close this, go to desktop. Here you can see the wufix.bat file. Make a right click, click on run as administrator. Make sure that you run this file as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow and let the process complete. First of all, it will stop all the Windows update services components and then it will run some scans. Now there are multiple scans. Now this scan process will take some time. It will take a long time. Once it is done, it will start all the Windows update services again and then you can check. If you receive a prompt, do you want to continue this operation? Type in Y for yes, hit the enter key and let the process complete. Once all the scans are complete, once everything is complete, it will close automatically, or once it is done you can close it and then restart your PC. After the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update option. Open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time and once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then you have to click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer and you should not receive this error anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.